Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious chocolate chip cheesecake. It's going to have a nice, creamy, velvety, packed with mini chocolate chips, topped with delicious, fresh chocolate whipped cream. It's going to be perfect for all of your cheesecake and your chocolate cravings. Pinky promise. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. Now let's go ahead and get started on the best, delicious cheesecake of 2020. So first up, we're gonna go ahead and start on our chocolate chip cookie crust. Now, if you wanna bake your crust before we pour in the cheesecake filling, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, because then we're gonna bake that crust, and after baking, we're gonna go ahead and lower that temperature to 325 degrees. If you wanna skip on baking the crust, go ahead and just preheat your oven to 325 degrees for your cheesecake. Either way, grab your bowl, and to that you want to add in your crushed chocolate chip cookies and your melted butter. Then we're going to go ahead and mix until both are fully combined. Now we're going to go ahead and take our springform pan and pour in our chocolate chip cookie crust. Then we're going to press our crust mixture to the bottom of the pan, spreading evenly using either the back of a measuring cup or a wide glass to really help give a nice flat crust and push our crust up the sides of the springform pan. Now again, if you want to bake your chocolate chip cookie crust, go ahead, pop it in the oven for 350 degrees and let bake for a quick 10 minutes. After that bakes, lower that temperature to 325 degrees. Or go ahead and scoot it to the side, still keep your oven at 325 degrees, grab another large mixing bowl for your delicious chocolate chip cheesecake filling, and start by adding in your cream cheese. And then beat with your hand mixer on a nice high speed until your cream cheese is nice and smooth. Then we're going to follow that by adding in our sugar and add in our vanilla and continue to blend until both are fully incorporated. Let's follow that by adding in our eggs and beating well with our hand mixer on a nice low speed. Finally, we're going to add in some delicious chocolate chips. So we're going to go ahead and add those into our batter. Then fold those chocolate chips right into the cheesecake filling to help get them evenly spread out. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have delicious, creamy, smooth, delicious chocolate chip cheesecake batter. Now let's go ahead and pour that into our springform pan. Now, if you are interested in baking your cheesecake with the water bath method, I'll be sure to throw all my little tips and tricks in that recipe card in the link down below in the description. But our cheesecake is pretty much done. So let's go ahead and pop this in the oven and let bake for a good hour to hour and 15 minutes at 325 degrees. So our cheesecake had baked, it's cooled. I let it firm in the fridge for a good 3.5 to 4 hours. I know the temptation was real. I just wanted to slice into it. But last time I did that, it was a mess. So don't do that. I know, just wait the 3.5 hours. Trust me, it is worth it. And this cheesecake will not do you wrong. But it's done, it's baked. Now we can go ahead and start decorating with our chocolate whipped cream. So we're gonna go ahead and smooth on a generous amount of chocolate whipped cream and spread it evenly with our spatula. Then we're going to pipe on some dollops of more chocolate whipped cream along the rim of the cheesecake. And finally, sprinkle with some mini chocolate chips. And once you're done topping with your homemade chocolate whipped cream and your mini chocolate chips, you get to indulge in a nice creamy cheesecake bursting with chocolate chips to satisfy all of your cravings. As you can see, it's definitely one of my favorites. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this delicious chocolate chip cheesecake. Honestly, I'm probably gonna eat this whole thing by myself with some coffee, but you know that by now, I'm sure. If you like today's video, if you like cheesecake, if you like chocolate chip cheesecake, or just chocolate chips, because who doesn't? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you like, you enjoy, and you wanna see more of. And when you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more tasty treats I have coming up in the kitchen, like more delicious cheesecakes. Maybe, I'm just saying, it's probably gonna happen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid mixers to give away, so if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious, creamy, smooth, so good, have to have 2 slices chocolate chip cheesecake, whew, I should take a breath. Definitely be sure to give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna have a slice or 2 of this chocolate chip cheesecake, grab a cup of coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same, and as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye!